can be.
Good morning, Summit SkyHawks. I'm AJ Brown, and today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020, and you're watching SkyHawk News. Congratulations, Michael, on receiving the Edison Scholarship for $40,000. Way to soar. Health tip of the day. Make sure to wash your hands frequently for 20 seconds with soap and water, or use hand sanitizer if a sink is unavailable. AP students. Don't forget to log into collegeboard.org for the latest updates regarding AP testing. Seniors, if you have received a scholarship, college acceptance, or career opportunity, please email Ms. Tedder with the information. Students, please check your emails, Q Gradebook, and Teams platform to keep up with all your classes. Today, we have a special message from your counselors.
SkyHawks, this is Ms. Parker, one of your counselors at Summit. Just wanted to wish you all well and hope you're all staying safe and staying home with your families. This is definitely a trying time for all of us. We are all, and know that we are available and just a text away. You can reach us via Remind, you can send us an email, or you can message us here on Instagram. We look forward to seeing you soon. Stay safe out there. We're in this together, SkyHawks.
Good morning, SkyHawks. This is Miss Zipper. I just wanted to say hello. Hope everybody out there's doing well. I can't wait to get back to work so we can wrap up this school year. Hang tight. Everything will be all right.
Hey, SkyHawks. Your counselor here, Mrs. Buey. I just want to say work really hard. Do what the teachers tell you. If you need to contact us, you can always contact us through Remind. You can email us, you can send us messages through Teams, but stay home, stay safe. That's what we're trying to get over this so we can all get back together.
Hey Skyhawks, Counselor Murillo here. Wanted to say how much we're thinking about you, how much we miss you, and can't wait to see all of you. But the main thing is that you stay home, stay safe.
I'm Crystal Gonzalez, Flores Counselor at Summit High, and I'd like to say hi and thank each of you for doing your part during this unprecedented and somewhat scary time. Nothing like this has happened during the years that you and I have been alive, and the future may seem unsure. But please remember that you are each resilient and strong in your own way, and we must do our best to stay curious and motivated while staying at home.
Hi, it's Mrs. Kiggins. Just wanted to touch base with you all, check in again. Summit is full of amazing students, teachers, staff, and administrators. We're all here to continue to support you. Whatever you need, remember your Summit counselors are just an email or a Remind message away. And if you aren't on Remind, check out Summit's Twitter and Teams, where we have posted on how to connect with us. We love you. We miss you. See you soon.
You know who else has a special message for you? Our teachers.
Hi, Summit SkyHawks. This is Miss Ivani, your forensics teacher. Just letting you know that we all miss you and we love you, and we hope that all of you are staying safe at home, following the CDC guidelines. To all my students, please stay in touch via Remind and email, and all the letters that I'm also sending to you, and the work. Just keep on top of it. We got through this, and we got a lot of catching up to do. I've been keeping busy watching CSI and, of course, catching bugs. So stay safe and remember to wash your hands. Bye.
Hi, this is Mr. Donde. I'm the government teacher at Summit High School. I just wanted to tell all the students how much I miss you guys. I miss our amazing lectures and all the learning that goes on in our class. Parents, students, please stay safe. And students, remember, with a month off, think about all the amazing opportunity you have to sit down and learn. These are trying times, but we're gonna get through. Let's go.
Hi, Summit SkyHawks. Mr. Betts here. Wow, talk about unusual times. I just wanted to let you all know that I miss you all very much, and I can't wait to get back to Summit so that we can start teaching again. I know that the times right now are kind of full of fear and uncertainty, but usually it's the unknown that leads to really cool discoveries, and there's going to be a lot of mistakes and mishaps along the way. But I wanted to let you guys know that I really miss you guys. I hope that you're doing well, your family's doing well, and all of your friends are doing well, and I really can't wait to get back to science and do some more things. So in the meantime, wash your hands, follow quarantine rules, and stay safe out there, SkyHawks.
Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Hamilton, and I just want you to know how much we miss you, and I also want to send out some warm wishes to you and your family as we make our way through these difficult times. You know, right now we are living through a historic event, and all you have to do to make a difference is just stay home and practice social distancing if you do have to go outside. One thing I know for sure, we will get through this together. And frankly, I can't wait for the day when we have the opportunity to come together again as a SkyHawk family. Until then, take care and stay healthy.
Hi, Mrs. Ledbetter here. I miss you guys. I wanted to make sure I put a video out there letting you guys. This is literally what I'm dealing with.
Every day we go at school.
Every day we go at school?
Yeah.
I can't get a word in. I've been trying to put work for you guys on Teams, so please make sure you've been checking Teams. I want to let you guys know that the yearbook was submitted. Those of you who have emailed me and worried about it, it has been sent in. Hopefully it'll be here sometime in May. And I just really wish we were all back at school, and I know it must be really hard for you guys, but all of us are kind of struggling. Positive thing is that we get to have lots of family time. I just anyway wanted to say I miss you, and I can't wait to be back at school, and I hope you guys are doing okay.
Hey Skyhawks, it's Mr. Casas. As you can see, that's the craziness of my everyday life being in quarantine. I hope you guys are all safe. I miss all my TV pros, my ones and twos, anybody that goes to see me during lunch and hang out there. Obviously, I miss seeing you guys and whatnot, but you gotta be safe and do what you gotta do. Take care of your family and yourselves, and we'll make it through this, and hopefully we'll get to see our seniors graduate and walk on stage, because really that's what we're shooting for. All right, take care. Miss you. Bye.
We have a new segment debuting today to help with this learning. Here's a cyber learning life hack that you may not know existed. Now, let's send it over to Hannah and find out what's going on with sports.
Good morning, SkyHawks. I'm Hannah Martinez, here to cheer you up with the little sports. So, first and foremost, I just want to say I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe during these difficult times. Let's all stay positive and make the most out of the situation. With that being said, let's move on to the first video of the day. So as most of you might know, cheer recently won a national title in Florida, so let's see how it looked on ESPN and in person.
Another team that made it to the finals, Summit High School out of Fontana, California. Jesse Sorda coaches this squad.
Summit, another outstanding co-ed program.
All the way from Fontana, California, Summit High School.
Well, that was a pretty cool trick. Now let's find out how the champs practice stunting with this tutorial.
Hi, I'm Ethan Martell.
And I'm Natalia Solis.
And today we're going to teach you how to do toss hand.
Can you hear me whining? It's been 3 whole weeks since that I have left your room. This sudden fear has left me trembling.
First thing you want to do is you want to get a nice loose grip on your flyer. Then you want to keep your elbows in, maybe get a little bit bent knee stance. The flyer's going to lean back on you, raise her heels, and you're just going to dip with her. You're assisting her jump. You're really throwing her higher than how she's jumping, and that's all you have to do. You just got to watch for the feet and catch.
So, first you're going to grab your boy's wrist, lean back, raise your heels up, and when he says 1, 2, you're going to dip and stay tight.
A gunshot rings out at the station. Another urchin snaps and left dead on his own. It makes me wonder why I'm still here. But some strange dreams and it's now feeling like my home. And I'm never gonna go. Pay attention to the
Ready? So once you do get toss hands, you can start working on other skills and you just start progressing from there.
Always have an active spotter.
Well, that's gonna do it for this week, SkyHawks. I'll catch you guys later.
Alright, SkyHawks, hope you enjoyed the news. I'm AJ Brown, and I will see you next week. Be safe and wash your hands.
Seniors, we realize this is not the senior year you expected or deserve.
Your senior year is one that should be full of amazing experiences like prom and grad night, your finals, and graduation. Everything you've worked so hard for all your life.
This is a time for your families and friends to be celebrating you, but sadly, with the closures caused by this coronavirus pandemic, many of those events and activities may need to be postponed or even canceled for everyone's safety.
We want you to know that all of us at Fontana Unified School District are committed to finding a way to celebrate you through all of this.
As you know, we have not canceled or postponed graduations, but we do have contingency plans in place just in case.
We have reserved multiple dates so that if we postpone graduation, we will have a chance to celebrate your achievements.
And we're also looking at other non-traditional ways to celebrate you in the meantime.
We will continue to monitor the situation closely, and we will inform you of how we will proceed as soon as we know.
In the meantime, stay home, stay safe, and we all miss you.
And always remember,
Go SkyHawks!